Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is insolent. It is pronounced in-sa-lunt and spelt I-N-S-O-L-E-N-T. Think in, sol, and then ent. Insolent means someone who is rude, impudent, and disrespectful. It's a way to describe someone who is disrespectful and behaves inappropriately. For example, you could say, the insolent customer refused to pay the bill, or the insolent child disobeyed her parents. The word insolent comes from the Latin word insolentia, which means impudence or disrespect, the same as today. In the film Despicable Me, Gru's eldest adopted daughter, Margot, is portrayed as insolent during the first half of the movie, as she doesn't trust Gru. She is rude and disrespectful to him, but later the family learns to love each other. Synonyms for insolent are rude, impudent, disrespectful, and impolite. Antonyms for insolent include polite, respectful, and well-mannered. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, insolent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.